Oh, good day, everyone. Welcome to Daniel Services Limited. And today we'll be taking you through our POS software system. And to follow up with the PDF we have sent to you, this video will explain, we give detailed explanation on how the POS works. So I believe by now you must have read the PDF. Then watching this video will give you more insights and understanding on how the software works. So let's go there. Let me share my screen with you. So you will be able to catch up. Now, the first thing to do to access this POS is to open your Google Chrome, go to browser or any browser, then type, for example, as in this is our demo, this is our demo uh, software that I'm using. So to access this, I need to type Damio domain, sorry, .damio.com.ng. Then I click enter and put www.domain.damio.com.ng. Then it will bring out this page, this page that you are seeing. Will bring it out for you. Then you need to put the username and the password. In this case, for this demo account, I'll be using this username, then the password. I'll type the password. Then I click on sign in because I'm using the web version of this software. It is hosted online, and there is another version that we can host it on server. We can host it on localhost, whereby the only thing you need is that you just type the IP on your URL. You type the IP on Google, then it will bring it up. But it's not going to be run online. If you don't need to be online to run that. But with this version, you need to be online. You need to connect to internet for it to work. So now here is the display page. This is the main software. This is the main software. This is how it's going to look like. Now, what I want to do now is I want to sell, I want to add details of products, then I want to sell a product. So the first thing I need to do is to set up my store. My store. Once a customer has been given access to this software, and we have installed this for the customer, we help the customer to set up the store and upload some products just to put the customer through. Then customer can go ahead to do it by themselves. Then to set up the store, we come to setting, the last module, the second to the last module, setting. We click on setting. Then under setting, we have store, we have site setting, we have SMTP, tax list, unit list, payment type, currency type, list, change password, database backup. Now here, the first thing is to go to site list. Let's go to site list. Now this site list. Now I want to use another name entirely. So I want to use let me use for global store. Let me use global store. Then let me change this logo so that I want to change this logo so that we'll be able to understand what I'm trying to do. Now let me click on update. Yes. Don't forget, if we are running this for a client, the URL is going to be client's name store. The domain and the hosting store is going to be for the client. So I click on update. Now record update successfully. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to go to task list. Let me go to task list. I don't know if we have set up any tags. Here I think we have not set up any tags. Now new tags. We can create new tags here. Okay, there is one tag here. In fact, here is it. Is it here you can edit or delete this, and our VAT is 7.5% in Nigeria. I believe we all are aware of that. It's 7.5. So that one has been sorted. There's no need to change that. But if you want to change or you want to create, if you want to change it, you can click on edit, or you want to create, you can click on new task. So we also have new task group. This one is not mostly applicable, but in some cases, you need to group up the tasks. Now, the next thing to do is to come to payment type. To come to payment type. Now here we don't have any payment type. Now let's create one. Payment type. Payment type. Let's say payment type. Let's say cash. Cash works. Let me save that one. Now let me create another one. Transfer. I'm just using that. Most stuff they don't accept transfer. It's either you pay in cash or you pay using your POS, using their POS. Now POS. POS ATM. Let me just name it down. Okay. Now we have three payment type there now. There's no need for check. Some store need, or they do use check. You can as well put check. Some warehouse that said maybe all the distributor of Guinness, you can use this software, distributor of Coca-Cola, whereby their customer they can bring in check. So you can put check. So this software is not only meant for store, it's not only meant for eatery or supermarket. It's also meant for warehouses. It's also meant for small company organization where they run inventory. It's an inventory movement, is an inventory software. Now let's go to currency. The next under there is currency list. Here we have the next currency depending on your country. Depending on your country, there is Naira there. When you go there, you see Naira. You can select anyone. Here is Nigeria Naira. Here is it, and it's active. You can see that all other are inactive. If you want to make anyone active, you come here, you deactivate this, then you can edit and deactivate and make them active. So that is for that. If you are in another country, you can also use this software and make your currency list active. You have as many currency as possible. And if there is none, if you cannot find your own currency here, you can add it here. Click on add currency. It's as simple as that. So you can change password here. And change password. Here is backup. After 6 daily or weekly, you can do your backup or in case of any emergency. Now let's go to store. Now let's go to store. Here, this is where everything happens. You create your store, global store. Let me use IG global store. You put your phone number, you put your email, you put your phone number. So here too, you put your phone number. So on. Here you can put your tax number. Maybe your tax identification number, you can put it here. You can put your store website here if you have. Put your store website here. Here you can list bank account details here. You get? So here country, you select your country. Then you put your address here. You put your logo here. Let me change this logo. Let me change this logo. So when the update happens, you'll be able to see it clearly. So I click on save. Here you can put your signature. For example, let me select a signature. It's not this type of signature, but let me just select this. You want to update? Yes. I see record update successfully. Now let me close this. Fine. Now the next thing to do is to go and add accounts. Add accounts. Let's first check this list. Here we don't have any account list. Then we can create accounts. We can click on create accounts. Then parent accounts. Account number. We can put the account number here. Now account number is 11 digits. Account name. Global store. The global store. If you have opening balance, you can put it there. But if you don't have, you can put it as 00. Not this account is for okay. You can note this account as inventory account. Or let me say you can say expenses. Now let's go to cash transaction. This cash transaction is what is all these things that appear here. Is what if when payment is made, when transaction is carried out, and those transaction was completed by cash, then that transaction will appear here as cash. I don't know, maybe you understand. Okay, you will understand what we are talking about. Now, what else? What else? Now, this is purchase module. This is no purchase list, purchase return list. Maybe you purchase an item, then it will appear after creating it, it will appear here under purchase list. Then, if there is need for you to return an item after purchasing it, probably you discover that the item are not good or uh, they don't meet up the standard, then you return it, then you notice here, you fill up this form, you fill up this purchase list, purchase return list. None is available, then you create one, create purchase return list. Then you'll be able to supply name, the person that supply you, but because we have not created anyone, so let's leave that one there. Now let's go to contact. Under contact, okay, let's go to customer. You can add customer. This contact is not really meant for uh, supermarket or eatery, because there is no need to add a contact for those people running eatery or running supermarket. There's no need. But for those that are running inventory that has a stock, so they can have the details of their contact. So you can create a contact here. Let me say Bella, Bella at understand. So let me put Bella's phone number. Let me use this phone number. This one, this one are alternative. Bella tax number, credit limit, one, previous due 00. Now you can attach the picture of Bella here. You can attach the picture of Bella there. You can put Bella's country, Nigeria, Bella state, Lagos state, and don't mind. Most of these, everything will be rectified. As in, you might not see your state. Probably you are not within Lagos. You might not see your state because this thing was generated using uh, we generated all these state and country using we generated automated country generation. So everything was generated, not we didn't input it ourselves. So we generated the list of country. So in some country, their state might not be listed. So we are going to work with that. Even in Nigeria that we are, state in Nigeria were not listed. Or we can add it manually. No city, let me say Ikeja, Ikeja address, Awolowo, location link. That is Google link, but there's no need for that. Yeah, this is if you are shipping address. There is no need to fill this. You just what does it say? So mobile number already exists. Oh, probably I already use this mobile number for someone else. This maybe Nielsen. Now you can see that it says success. Did you customer added successfully? You can see this is Bella. This Nielsen. I think I need to edit this Bella because I give Bella credit limit of 0, credit limit of 1. Sorry, and it should be 0. So there won't be any more limit to what Bella can buy. Sorry. I need to ensure that everything okay. Okay, now that's how to add a customer. Now here is quotation. If if you receive quotation, it will be here. Or if you want to send quotation out, probably you render services. You can send out a quotation and you can receive a quotation. If you receive a quotation, you input it here. Even you receive a document, a quotation as a document, you have to input the details here just to make sure you monitor your stock. Now let's go to items. This is where we add items. Now I click on add item. Now it's automatically generate item code. Now item name. Let me say, what do I even have? Let me check. Do I have anything? Let me check. See item group. Now here item group. Let me say ladies. For example, item group variant. If we are going to use variants, we are going to set up variants here. If we are going to use this one, we must have first set up variants list here. And we must have first set up brand list here. We must have print a label. We can print a label here. Now, let's seller points 0, brand, flexi. Now, I added this flexi has been added before during our last training, the one we did for other sets. This flexi has been added as brand. Now, let's add, for example, let's add another brand. Let me create brand name. Okay. Brand description, socks. Oh, let me make it. The make it should be sorry, week. Yeah, this week. This week. Okay. Yeah, this week. Now here you come here to variants. You can add variants. You can add category. Let me try. Okay, this one is footwear. I need to create another category. This one is week. Yeah, you can put week, and so. But because I don't know any category of weeks, that's why I use that. Just to get. Now you can go to label. You can go to label. And for you to create label, you need to put item name. Okay, let me use, for example, the one that is uploaded, Flexi. Okay. Okay, this is the last item that. Okay, let me click it, and see maybe we'll print it out. Okay, let me click on preview. Okay, this label, you can see IG Global Store. The cost of this item is 5,000. Now this label now, you can now print this label. You can now click here to print this label and use it and put it on the product. You can print this label. That is product that didn't come with label. You can print this label here and put it on the product. So anytime you can easily scan this label, on your system to get the price that is on the label. So if we print this label now and put it on any of the products, once we scan this label with our scanner connected to the system, it will automatically print out the details of the product that has this label. I don't know, maybe you get. Okay. But because for this demo purpose, we're not going to print. I don't even have printer here. So here as well, we can import our product. If you have a list number of products, we can use the Excel sheet to prepare them, then come to import item. Now, here, when you come to import item, these are the list of the things that need to be filled up. Item is required, is important. Item category is important. SKU, optional. You will see important, you will see optional. Tax name, price before tax require. Tax name require. Tax value require. Tax type require. Sales price require. Opening stock require. All these, the remaining are optional. This barcode is optional because some products doesn't come with barcode. So seller points, optional, description optional. You can put those ones. But all these ones you have is required. It's important for you to put them. Then before, you must have prepare it on Excel sheet with all the details here. Then you can now click to upload the Excel sheet here, and click here to upload the Excel sheet. It will take you to your computer, then you select details of, you select the sheet you want to upload. Okay, that is for that. So once you select the sheet you want to upload, you just click on import. So it will fill up all these details that you have input. It will fill it up automatically, and then you can do it for like 100 products at once. You can have 100 products in your Excel sheet and upload it, and everything will be there automatically. Now let me go to add item. Add item. Now the item I want to add is ladies. Ladies wage. Single. I don't want to use variant. So now brand. I can use Mickey. Yes, you can see when I click on brand here, it brings flexi, it brings Mickey. Units, sneakers. Oh, I did create units. There is, there is. I think I forgot I jumped it. So you have to create. You have to create units. Okay, unit list. You come here to create unit list. Once you create unit list here, it will appear here. It will appear here. So now barcode. I generate the barcode. You can put the barcode number here and alert quantity. I want to say if this product reduced to 5, I should get alert. Seller point 50. Seller point 2. Or I should even use one self. So description, we put the description of the product here. Do this week. Do this week. I don't know anything to write. I don't know product here. So you select the product here. Then you put the percentage. Percentage is it fixed amount? Are you giving discounts? If you are giving discounts on this product, you put the discount, maybe 10%. Is it percentage? Is it discount on percentage, or the discount is fixed price? So if it's on percentage, you click percentage, then probably 5% off, or yes, let me say 5% off. Then you set price, price without tax, price without tax. Let me say 11,000. Now select this tax. I select VAT. Now tax type excluded. Okay, tax type is included because I'm the one paying tax. It's not the customer, so it's included. So profit margin, the tax is included in this 18 in this 11,800. Profit margin, yes, you can put profit margin here based on purchase price. So I put profit margin here and can leave it sales price. Sales price you can leave it this way, and you can even, if you put purchase price here, this is the price to purchase this product. You can also adjust it. But if you want to, if you purchase is 11,800, you can decide to sell it at 12,800. Okay. So the profit margin is 8.47.5%. You can see that the profit margin was calculated automatically. So this product was bought at 11,800 and was we are selling it at 12,800. Then the profit margin in percentage is 8.5. Now maximum retail price 15,500. Now warehouse. Oh, yes, I forget. Let me just choose this. Uh, Let me choose this system warehouse. Opening stock, maybe 0. Okay. Let me click on save. Oh, upload product. I need to upload the product. I need to upload something. Oh, I don't even have shoe set. I don't even have big set. Let me just upload something. Don't mind me, it's because I don't have what I purported to sell. I don't have it. Let me just upload something to users. Now I click on save. What did you say? You have need something to fill up. What is that? What have I missed? Oh, category. Week. Oh, oh, what else? No, I filled this on I filled this under category this week. Save. And vaccine. Success. The new item added successfully. You can see, right? Now we have warehouse. Warehouse. Under warehouse, let me see warehouse list. It's only one warehouse. That is the system warehouse that comes with the system. Now we can create another add warehouse. This is system warehouse. This is the detail of the total of the product uploaded. Total item 2. Available quantity 37. Now this is the amount of the product that is in system warehouse. Now let me create another warehouse. IG. Let me just put it like that. IG. Gmail.com. Let me click on save. Now, here is it. Now, you know what I want to do? I want to go to our item. Let me go to item list. Now we have 3 items. I want to change this one to from system warehouse to IG. So I click on edit. Warehouse, IG global store. Now, item update successfully. Now let me go and check the warehouse list and see how many products we still have in the system warehouse. Okay, I think I need to log out to log in before this thing will take effect. At least we have total items, we have one here, isn't it? So it's after I log out and log in that this thing will take effect again. But it's there, it's there. So now after we have uploaded, we have the 3 products now. Now, for example, let's say as a sales rep, I will you can add a sales here. If you made a sales, for example, if you are not in supermarket or eatery industry, if you are not in that retail business, you are into inventory and other businesses, you need to add a sales. If you made a sales, you need to add it. But as POS, as cashier, or as supermarket or eatery, what you need to do is come to POS. When you come to POS, all the products, if you have 100, if you have 5,000 products, in as much you add them to the system, if they will all appear here, it will all appear here. So, and once it appear here, you'll be able to select, this is your appearance. Now, let me go to IG store. Now, this is IG store. So I need to restart this system because if I didn't log in, log out and log in, it's not, you can see, this is the one that is able now. This one is disabled. This two is enabled. because I have uploaded, this one has been uploaded during the last training. This one has been uploaded. So that is why. And we have logged in, logged out, log in, log out many times, just to understand. So now let me just try to say something. The first thing is I select the CC, the warehouse, my own warehouse, where probably let's say I'm a cashier as an employee. I select my own warehouse. Then once I select my own warehouse, the products that uploaded in my own warehouse will be available for me to sell from. The one that is not uploaded in my own warehouse will be disabled for me to sell. Will be disabled for me to sell. As well, the product that is uploaded for my own store will be available for me to sell. The one that is disabled, the one that is uploaded from another store, which is the same company, will be disabled for me. I won't be able to sell from it. Now, let's say as a Bella customer, and mostly in all this eatery and supermarket, they are all working customer. You don't stop customers name. They are all working. They're working to buy. Now, what you need to do here, if the item has a barcode, if a customer bring it, you can easily put it to your scanner. The barcode of the item will appear here, will appear in this item name barcode or item code will appear here. Or as well, you can type the name of the product without scanning the product. For example, I think the name is ladies. Oh, let me use demi tracker. Oh, sorry. This is it. You can see this is the this column require item code. This is the item code here. This item code ITO 20001 is the item code. You can see it shows that the quantity of this product, this demi tracker, has 12 quantity. Why this KJ has 25 quantity. So you select the one you want to sell. And if you can remember this IT is 2001. Let me put that number. IT is 0200. You can see automatically it added it up. This is it. It says stock. The amount in stock is 12. The amount in stock is 12. Now, quantity. How many quantity do I want to buy? Is it 4? I'm not buying 4. I can reduce it to 1. So price is 4,880 naira. Discount. Because discount has been given, then tax 7.5% tax subtotal. Because this tax will be why setting up this product, we choose that tax is inclusive. It's inclusive in this product. If we choose tax exclusive, definitely all these tax will not be there. So that means we are not paying tax. But this is after removing the discount, the tax, this is the amount the customer is going to pay. Now we can say quantity 1, total amount, this is it, total discount. We didn't set up discount. This is discount for this product. We don't have any special discount here. So there's no special discount. Count total. Now you pay off. Now, why these options are here is probably you want to pay cash. As those warehouse inventory that are selling inventory products, some customer may want to pay they want to pay multiple times. They don't want to pay all. They are not paying everything. Probably there is which amount of money. They don't want to pay 50% and the remaining 50% will be transferred to the account automatically. But here, we are paying off. Once you click on pay off, now it will show now it's asking me to choose a printer to print this. I can I can click on print. If my system is connected to a printer, to that small printer, I can click on print, then it will print it out. But in this case, I'm not printing. Now I want to check the details of this product. Now don't forget that we change the name to IG Global Store, and we change the blue logo. And this is at the number that's there, and this is the email and the website. Now here is the address that was there. I don't know if you can see that is the address. The area in Lagos, Alimosho, that is the postal code. Now name of the customer is working customer. Now here you can see seller. You can see here the system will show the person that said to this customer, seller admin, because I'm the one that wants to sell. If I have logged in with cashier privilege, it will show cashier here instead of admin. It will show the name of the person, the cashier, the name I will show here. So you can click on print here, and we'll still load that, and it will load and bring out the printer automatically. Now at this point, you can as well here click on, so you can see send message to customer. You can see, do you want to send SMS to customer? Since if it has been a Bella, if you are choose a Bella, and because Bella phone number is there, because Bella has a phone number, this system will automatically send a message to Bella. But because we choose working customer and we didn't collect any working customer phone number, so it's working customer. Now here you can add term and condition to this product. Suppose you will say put add this, check your or even the premises. What was in not be returned. Okay, I should have selected this first before adding that. Now, oh, I have limited time. I think something is wrong there. This time and condition supposed to appear here. In our last video, that in our last training, it appeared here. So probably I will reach out to you. So but before that, you can see everything is okay here. Everything is okay. Fine. Okay. I have limited time. This thing will soon expire. Now that is how to sell using this QS, this our software. For all the products you have inserted and all you imported will be available here. Now, if I log out and log in, you can see I select, if I log out and log in, I select uh, IG Global Store instead of System Store, this product will be enabled for me to sell. All right. Thank you for joining. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, let us know. Please note that as from July, sales begins, and it's very, very paramount that we try as much as possible because our company is giving uh, 3 months interval. Like we need people that are ready to work, that are ready to put in time and resources to make us proud, and in return get their own percentage. So after 3 months, we planned that will be, because you can see there is about 47 in the group, and we cannot hire 37 people. That's just a fact. So we need to select those people that are diligent and are ready to work. So, and those people that will be selected after 3 months are those that make sense, are those that make sense. And within that 3 months, we expect each and every one to make at least 9 sales. That is 3 sales per month. Then, if you meet up with the sales target, and the ball will take a look at it and select those that are capable. Yes, that's just the truth. We are not going to select everyone. Everybody cannot be selected. But even you make sales within these 3 months and you were unable to meet up, we're going to compensate you. You cannot just say bye bye. We're going to compensate you because this is, let me say, is competitive. Yes, it's competitive. And after the selection, after 3 months, that will be this August, September, August, that's July, August, September. After September, those people that will be selected that meet up the target will be they will be on commission and also on salary. They'll be collecting salary, and they will also has uh, a commission, and the commission is high. In fact, the commission is higher than by money. So I think it's about 15% commission on every sales. Oh, is it 15% or thereabout? Yes, I think 15% commission. And the most interesting part of it is even after you have worked with us, and you decide not to work again, those sales you bring in. So I don't know how they're going to do it, but I overheard the discussion. So probably it's not something I should talk about now. Not something I should talk about. So let's put in more effort to try to meet up the target. And to be sincere, the target is realistic. Making 2, 3 sales per month is realistic. And I believe people will make 10 sales per month. Some will even make more than 10 sales per month, while some will not make. And the most interesting part of it is it's not limited to this POS software system. It's also if you can sell this POS, or you can sell HRM, or even if it's a website, you can bring in within that period. Though the POS software and HRM software are very, very important because that is where you can get higher commission. That's where you can generate higher commission. That's just the truth. Because, okay, for example, if they are offering you 15% of the sales, and in our HRM, I think it's 1.5 million naira, and you you have 15% of 1.5 million naira, or 25% of 1.5 million naira. I don't know. I think one is 15%, another one is 25%. if you have 50% of 1.5 million naira, and you have like, let me say you meet up your target, you have 3 sales in a month. Just calculate it. You have 3 sales in a month. It's more than, I think that is more than 200,000. If I will not lie, it's more than 200,000. It's even close to 500,000. It's close to 500,000. So yes, let's try. Let's try. All right. See you. If you have any question, post it in the group and we'll respond accordingly. And anyone that is technical will be escalated. Thank you. God bless you all.